just left the Dispersed camping area by Blanca Peak there. I was going to head into Wheeler Peak today down in New Mexico, but it looks like the weather's going to be a lot better tomorrow. So I'm only 20 minutes away from Great Sand Dunes National Park. I can actually see them ahead of me here. So I'm going to go there today and enjoy that for today and do Wheeler Peak tomorrow. But let's go! We are at the Great Sand Dunes Visitor Center. We got a temporary visitor center right here, but I think there's an overlook over here I'm gonna take a look at, and then we're gonna go down and get onto that dune. It's like 10 deer out there. We are at the parking lot for the dunes here. Trailhead, kind of, I guess you can call it, for High Dune. Let's get this going. Water's flowing in Medano Creek. Medano? Beautiful. Alrighty, just crossed Medano Creek. Making our way up to High Dune. I can't really tell on the screen, but it's one of those up there. Found that if you step in other people's footprints, you don't sink down as much. Man, look at all those people down there now. There's High Dune, I think, right there. This is a cool part. Ridge walk. Almost there. Man, these views are incredible. What a cool park. Glad I came here. And as you can see by the crowd hanging out, we made it to the top of High Dune. Well, that sucks. My phone died. Back at the parking area. Part of me wants to hike back up there, but it's like a public beach. It's so busy out there right now. It's just not even worth it at this point. You can see all the people. Parking lot's like completely full. Just gonna wash my feet and go to a different part of the park and some more shots there. Showers are down, so I just washed my shoes off in the creek the best I could. Still a little sand in there, but this is what I'm talking about. Tons of people here. Man, that was so fun. Running down the sand dune, releasing my inner child. I think what I'm going to do is go hike out to a different part of the dunes where it's not so busy and hang out there for a while. And yeah, figure out the rest of the day from there. It's only like 11 o'clock, so I got the whole day. Alright, it's been a couple hours. Let my phone charge up, lounged in the van for a minute. As you can see, it's insane here. So many people. So High Dune is up here. There's a bunch of people going up there still, so I'm gonna go like up here or something and hang out. Get away from everybody. Pretty windy still. Clouds finally cleared from that mountain. Behind. I don't think I see anybody up this way. folks. We're heading out. Probably find another spot to get a good overlook of the dunes, but we'll see. Yeah, so after checking the map, it looks like I got the best views I'm gonna get as far as overlooks go for the sand dunes, unless I like climb one of these mountains, which I'm not doing after all that sand dune climbing. But also, this is insane with the amount of people that are here now. So I'm gonna get out of here, try to get back to that dispersed camping spot. Hopefully find a spot, one of those singular spots, so I don't have to camp in the group spot I was in last time, and make myself some food. Let's do it. Found myself a pretty good spot for tonight. Basically just off the road, but that's all I need. A quick look at my updated home. Got a cooler in here now, solar panel pack there. Just got a water jug, 3-gallon water jug recently too. Oh, I love my setup in here though. We'll do a full tour at some point. Time to make some nom nom. Oh, that sounds good. Stove action. This is 100% my happy place. Can I just stay here forever, please? Man, I'm really loving this spot. But I do want to get to bed pretty early here just because I want to hit the road early tomorrow morning to get to Wheeler Peak. So I'm going to do that. Probably going to call it quits here in a little bit, but great day. Awesome national park. Awesome. I would love to go back. It was great climbing all over the dunes and everything. And yeah, catch up with you in the next one. Peace.